Today we are visiting Eric Vermander from Oekene. Eric is winning the first National Brive against 6,117 old birds. Also the fastest pigeon of 12,002 pigeons. This is a real top bird with ring number B1930876602. This cock, blue cock, won now the first national on Brive, which is a distance for 653 kilometers, and he made a velocity of 1107.88 meters per minute. This is a real top cock because a few weeks ago he won also the 13th national from Limoges. He is sitting on a loft with only 4 widowers, so they are very good, motivated and a little bit angry to each other. Eric won before also other national victories and international victories, so this is a top winning loft. Congrats from the Herberts.